Hello everyone, it is Jomi Curls here and I'm here to give my personal review on the PuffCuff. So guys, basically what the PuffCuff is and what it's for is it's for the really coarse, kinky, curly, wavy, pretty much all kinds of hair types that aren't meant to be in elastics. It literally hugs your hair to a point where it's not coming out the ponytail, it's not coming out the bun, it's keeping your hair nice and curly and loose, and it's keeping the curls nice and tight, just all together, so that way when you take the PuffCuff out, your curls aren't breaking. Your curls are literally going to stay the same as before you put them in the PuffCuff. So let's pretty much get down to basics of how to use it. Be sure to gather your hair up. That's like the most important thing here. So once you've got your hair all gathered up, you're going to take the PuffCuff, open it wide up. But what you're going to do is I go underneath. The PuffCuff clamps are going to stick up out the top. And you're just going to latch it together. And then pull the ponytail. And then you're all secure. So once the PuffCuff is in, you're good. Your hair is going to be popping for the whole entire day. I really dig it. It's really my thing now. I've never went back to an elastic. I really highly suggest getting it. All you have to do is go to www.thepufcuff.com. They come in different sizes for different hair types or for different hairstyles that you want to do each day. And you're literally going to love it. Is it just as easy to take out as it is to put in? And your answer right there is yes. Normally with elastics, when you take it out, your hair by that time has already tangled over it. You're pulling out hairs and stuff is breaking and it's just a huge mess. With the PuffCuff, all I have to do is find the clamp that I took, which is right here, undo it, and then it comes right out. And literally my hair is the exact same. I really highly recommend it. I really wish you guys would go out and get it. I promise you it's going to change your life forever. You're probably going to save a bunch of money on elastics because you're probably not ever going to get an elastic ever again. And I'm not just saying that. I really believe that the PuffCuff is one of those products where once you get it, you just can't revert back to using anything else. So guys, please don't forget to visit thepufcuff.com. Don't forget to shop. Don't forget to get your PuffCuff. And just also don't forget to let your curls live their best life. That was my review, and I will see you guys later. Bye.
Would you like to see more styling tutorials using the PuffCuff? Then please subscribe to our YouTube channel.